What's up, internet? My name's Kyle, and today is going to be a 3-minute Thursday. Let's hope this video goes up on a Thursday, and let's hope it's 3 minutes. So hello everybody, new, old. If you're my mom, hi mom. Thank you so much for watching my videos. My videos have kind of exploded in the last couple days, at least for me. Thank you so much for checking my stuff out, and thanks for hanging out and just sticking around. Okay, so let's throw 3 minutes on the timer. Hopefully I stick by it, and hopefully it's Thursday like I said. If it's not, we may have to rename this. Okay, so today I just wanted to talk about my simple YouTube setup. I've been on YouTube for quite some time. I actually had a gaming channel, started in 2009. Then I did daily vlogs, I did adventure videos, and now I'm doing camera videos. So I've kind of had a bunch of years of practice. Something like this that I'm doing right now is just a really simple setup, and I just wanted to show you behind the lens or around the lens and show you what it looks like. So like I said in my accessories video, which I'll link up here on a card, I just got this Zoom H1 mic. It's really awesome. The sound is so much better than on-camera audio or using an iPhone or something like that. And it's really just upped my production quality for my YouTube setup. I wish I bought it 4 years ago. So I got it set up like a boom mic. I bought this really cheap Amazon Basic stand from Amazon, and then I got this little ball joint which allows me to point the mic directly down above my head, and it's just out of frame. Super great, works awesome. Next is the actual camera. As you guys may have guessed, I'm using a Sony a6000, like the one in my hands here. This is mine, and my girlfriend, luckily enough, she has one. So I'm using hers with the Sigma 16mm 1.4 to get this really wide shot really close up. You guys are like right there. And it's got that great crispy bokeh effect, as you can see over there with the lights and my computer screen and all that type of stuff. My girlfriend's Sony a6000, and it's on a Amazon Basics tripod. Really simple. Looking to get another one. It's plastic. It's really creaky sounding. It's not great, but hey, gets the job done. Also, the monitor is this beautiful Dell monitor. It is, I think I forget. It's a 23-inch, I want to say, and I use that as my viewfinder. I'll show you here. I have another Amazon product, just a lot of Amazon Basics stuff. Basics tripod, a Basics mic stand, and a Basics mini HDMI cord to normal HDMI, which plugs into this Dell monitor. The a6000 doesn't have a flip out LCD. That's like a huge drawback of this camera. But to fix it in a YouTube setup, I just have this gigantic monitor so I can see all the crispy, high definition of my face. And then last but not least, I have this softbox here. It's giant, and it's on a separate kind of mic stand. And that's basically it. It is a super simple setup. I don't know if I went over 3 minutes, and it's really stressing me out. So yeah, guys, that's just my simple YouTube setup. So yeah, if you have any other questions, any of the things that I use or anything like that, links are all down below. Check it out. And yeah, just really thank you guys for watching all of my videos recently. I hope you guys stick around. I got really cool content coming out soon. I just wanted to do something quick here, hopefully quick. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you guys in the next episode. What's up, internet? My name is Kyle. Thank you for coming back. Why can't I just talk?